They promised us monuments to the future, marble floors, glass towers, a forever home of safety and pride. Families believed, they sacrificed, they handed over lifetimes of savings for walls they thought would never fall. But dreams can collapse in seconds. Without warning, one moment they stand tall, glittering against the skyline, the next, they crumble, folding in on themselves like they were never there at all. There is no alarm, no time to prepare. Just the sudden roar of breaking concrete, the choking haze of dust, and the weight of silence that follows. Buildings are not eternal, they are battles against gravity, against time, against nature itself. Steel must resist corrosion, concrete must endure pressure, foundations must hold steady. But when greed overshadows science, when shortcuts are taken, fragility is built into the very bones of the structure. Every building carries a weight, the structural load. Walls, floors, furniture, people, even wind and rain, all pressing down, day after day. This is where reinforced concrete comes in. Concrete alone is strong under compression, but brittle under tension. Steel reinforcements inside the concrete give it strength to bend without breaking. But even reinforced concrete cannot save a building if the soil is unstable, or if the foundation is too shallow. Buildings don't fail at the top, they fail from the ground up. When structural loads are underestimated, when foundations are cut short, when reinforcements are ignored, collapse becomes inevitable. This is why buildings fail. Buildings are only as strong as the materials that hold them together, but when corners are cut, when money matters more than safety, collapse becomes a matter of time. Take concrete, mixed too wet, it looks smooth on the surface, but inside, it's weak, fragile, and destined to crack. Add too much soil into the mix, and what should be stone turns into sand, crumbling under the very weight it was meant to hold. A brick should stand strong, but when it's weak, too soft, too brittle, it crumbles under the slightest pressure. And if one brick fails, the whole wall is at risk. Weak bricks don't just break buildings, they break trust. And then there's steel, rusted, corroded, or worse, so cheap it bends before it breaks. Reinforcement that should give concrete its strength becomes the very reason it fails. These are not accidents, they are choices, and every choice to use cheap material puts lives at risk. Families invest their life savings into homes built on lies, homes that will not stand the test of time. This is the truth, weak materials create weak buildings. And weak buildings always fail. This is Lady C. Subscribe, like, share, and comment as we uncover the cracks they don't want you to see. Negligent construction is silent sabotage. When deadlines matter more than safety, corners are cut. Steel left unfastened, concrete watered down, inspections skipped. It looks fine, until one day, it doesn't. And when the walls fall, it's not the builders who pay the price, it's the families inside. Buildings whisper before they scream. A leak in the ceiling, a crack in the wall, rust creeping along the beams. Each is a warning, a chance to act. But when maintenance is ignored, when repairs are delayed, dismissed, forgotten, those whispers turn into disaster. Ignored maintenance doesn't just weaken concrete, it weakens trust. And in the end, it is not time that destroys a building, it is neglect. You can fight poor planning, you can fix bad materials, but there is one enemy no builder fully controls: nature's wrath. Floods that drown foundations, quakes that rip walls apart, storms that tear roofs from the sky. In seconds, years of hard work are reduced to rubble. But smart builders don't surrender, they prepare. Strong foundations, resilient designs, and the wisdom to build for survival. Because when nature strikes, only the strong endure. This is Lady C. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, so together, we build smarter and stronger. This is happening now. Around the world, buildings are failing, not tomorrow, not in the past, but today. And when they fall, they don't just take concrete and steel, they take lives. In 2013, Bangladesh witnessed one of the deadliest disasters in modern history. The Rana Plaza factory collapsed, crushing more than 1,100 people in an instant. Not from an earthquake, not from a flood, but from negligence, cracks ignored, warnings silenced, profits placed above human lives. In Kenya, classrooms have collapsed on schoolchildren. In Nigeria, apartments and churches have folded in seconds, burying entire families beneath rubble. The same story repeats: corners cut, cheap materials used, safety skipped. These are not accidents, these are choices, and the cost of those choices is measured in lives lost and futures destroyed. This is happening now, and until we confront greed, negligence, and corruption, buildings will continue to betray the very people who trust them most. This is Lady C, and here, we uncover the truth behind why buildings fail. Subscribe, share, and comment below, because the truth should never stay buried. Behind every collapse, a voice is silenced, families torn apart, futures erased. For survivors, the scars are not only physical, the collapse does not end with the rubble, it echoes for generations. But disaster is not destiny. We can build differently. With honesty, with strength, with accountability. Governments must enforce, developers must deliver, and communities must demand. Because a home is not a gamble. It is a promise. Dreams deserve foundations that last. Families deserve walls that stand. When we ignore this truth, homes crumble, and hope collapses with them. But if we choose vigilance, integrity, and courage, then our homes will never betray us. Every collapse has a cause, and most of the time, it's not fate, it's failure. Poor design, cheap materials, negligent construction, ignored maintenance, nature's fury. Each one is a killer. Together, they are unstoppable. We already know the solutions. Soil must be tested before a single brick is laid. Quality materials must be verified, not assumed. Inspections must be independent and relentless. And maintenance must be culture, not afterthought. Because homes are not just buildings. They are promises, and those promises must never collapse. Collapses rarely come without warnings. The signs are there, if you know where to look. Red flag number 1, safety ignored on site. Workers without helmets, scaffolding without guardrails, inspections that never happen. Red flag number 2, cracks and leaks in new builds. A wall that cracks within months is a wall that is telling you something, and it is not a whisper, it is a scream. Red flag number 3, too cheap to be true. If a building is priced far below the market, ask yourself, where did they save that money? Because it may have been shaved off the steel, the concrete, the very bones of the structure. And red flag number 4, secrecy. Developers who refuse to show inspection reports or dodge your questions about safety standards. If they won't answer you now, imagine what happens when the cracks start to appear. These are not small details. These are warnings, and ignoring them can turn your dream home into your family's worst nightmare. But collapse is not destiny. Around the world, solutions are rising. Engineers are using advanced soil testing to ensure the ground itself can carry the weight of our dreams. Smart sensors are being embedded into foundations, tiny devices that can detect stress, cracks, and water damage long before the human eye can see them. Materials are evolving, stronger concrete, rust-resistant steel, and even 3D printed homes that combine speed with strength. Governments are tightening laws, forcing developers to take responsibility or face ruin. And communities, too, are learning to demand better. They are asking the questions, checking the reports, refusing to be silenced. Because the future of construction is not just about taller buildings, it is about safer ones. A home should never be a gamble. It should be a guarantee. A home is not just concrete and glass. It is laughter in the kitchen. It is children taking their first steps. It is the place where life unfolds. When that home collapses, it does more than crush walls, it crushes futures. The loss is not just physical, it is human. And it lasts for generations. We cannot afford more broken promises. We cannot accept homes built on lies. The future demands courage, honesty, and accountability. Because dreams deserve foundations that stand. Families deserve walls that protect. And when we build with integrity, hope does not collapse. Thank you for watching this investigation with me. If this story opened your eyes, if it made you think twice about how homes are built, don't stop here. Join me on this journey. Hit subscribe, share this video, and let's keep uncovering the truths that shape the world we live in. Because together, we can demand better. And together, we can build